Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 4th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Friday and Saturday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar currently, what's going on now across the nation. Also, take a look at the watch and warning advisory map. Also, take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day number 3. And also, we're going to take a look at day number 5 and day 6. And we got some severe weather to discuss in tonight's video. Alrighty, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. Like I said, make sure you subscribe if you're a new viewer and you have not, and if you like weather forecast content, and subscribe button as well. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see this is your Friday forecast now. You can see we got some mixed precipitation over southeast Canada, stretching down in the portion of New Brunswick, also in the portions of Newfoundland, also back down into portion of Maine, all the way down towards Connecticut, down to Pennsylvania, West Virginia, eastern portion of Kentucky and Tennessee as well, and also in the portion of Ohio. We got some critical fire weather issues over here in portion of Colorado, portion of Kansas, Oklahoma, western portion of Panhandle of Texas, the eastern New Mexico. We have some shower activity across portion of southern Canada, back down into portions of Montana, also a little bit in Wyoming. Thunderstorms and showers along coastal areas up here from portion of Washington State through Oregon, also into much of western California down to southwestern California. And we have a large area of mixed precipitation extending from California up to Washington State to Montana to Wyoming. Caught to the snow in portions of Idaho, California, with some heavy pockets of heavy snow in portion of Oregon, also in the portion of Idaho, northern Nevada, and also eastern Oregon as well. Dry high pressure is in charge of much up toward Connecticut and Rhode Island, Florida Keys, also down into the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, down toward the Yucatan Peninsula, much of Mexico, much of the Gulf of California, southern Nevada. All of this activity is for your Friday, April 5th. Alright, let's move on to your Saturday forecast now. Alright, you can see we got a little bit of mixed precipitation across eastern Canada through portions of Maine, New Brunswick, down in the portion of New Hampshire and Vermont. A little bit of shower at the eastern portion of Massachusetts and Connecticut and northeastern Rhode Island. More showers from Missouri to Illinois, back up to Iowa, Minnesota. Storms and showers extending from Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, included portion of Minnesota. More shower activity along western areas of Montana, Wyoming, and also Colorado, and also more regular snow in portions of New Mexico to Colorado, back to Montana, Idaho, and Nevada, and Utah, portion of the Yucatan Peninsula. Also, Mexico, excuse me. Also in the Gulf of California to Texas, back to Nevada, portion of Oregon, Washington State, portion of California as well. All of this activity, we're in D.C. area, more snow and mixed precipitation, rain, been portions of naval. Alright, well there it is. It finally came up. Alright, we still got winter weather alerts up here. We got winter weather advisory, winter storm warning from Maine, stretching through New Hampshire, Vermont, also in the portion of New York State. Also, we got more Oregon and Washington State as well. A little bit in Nevada, also California as well, and all the way down to Southwest California. We have some winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for West Virginia, DC, New Jersey advisories there as well. All right, we got Indiana, Southern Illinois, and also South Fire at 8 p.m. Eastern time. We got some freeze watches in effect for you guys in Ohio, back in the Indiana, also in the Kentucky, free North Georgia, lake with Alabama, northern portion of Florida, southern Mississippi as well. Frost advisory for you guys for the remainder of Missouri, and also portion of Arkansas, and also into portions of Kansas. We have some winter storm watches in effect for portion of Wyoming. High wind warnings in Arizona, portion of New Mexico, also much of Nevada as well. Wind advisory there also in Nevada, but Utah, also into New Mexico, also into portions of areas here in North Texas. Wind advisory, high wind watch also in effect in those two counties there, one in Texas and one in New Mexico. Red flag warning has been posted. Wyoming, Nebraska, also in the portion of Colorado, western portions of Kansas, also much of New Mexico as well, down to the east coast of Florida. A little patch here on the west coast of Florida. Same from Southern California to Washington State. Frost advisories also in portions of Oregon as well. River flood. We got a flood warning for a couple counties in northern Montana, and also we got a special weather statement for you guys in Idaho as well. The Hawaiian chain out that day number 3. Medford, and Eugene, Oregon, toward Glasgow, Montana, all the way down to Waco and Austin, Texas, up toward just west of Jefferson City. Steel as well. You have a marginal risk for severe weather. The probability would be 5% in that vicinity. Five. That was Saturday's outlook. This will be Monday's outlook. This will be Monday's outlook here. Dallas over to Shreveport, and make sure I'm right. Yeah, area. Yeah, day number 6 here. Pretty much. Stay safe and well. So enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Like the video, share the video, consider subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful